We're told to eat clean, to exercise our bodies, to take supplements, but what if the most powerful tool for living longer is something we've been doing all our lives? Sleep. Not just rest, but deep, consistent, healing sleep. It's your what is natural biohack for longevity. It repairs your cells, balances your hormones, and resets your mind. But here's what most people miss. The air you sleep in matters. Polluted indoor air can silently sabotage your sleep and your health. That's where the healthy air DNO catalyst purifier comes in. It destroys or eliminates 99.99% of harmful pollutants, including the fine particles that disrupt breathing, immunity, and recovery. No noise, no secondary emissions, just clean, fresh air day after day, night after night. Your path to a longer, healthier life doesn't start in the gym. It starts right here in the air you breathe and the sleep you protect.